I wanted to show you this red light therapy wrap that the company sent me. I personally use a heating pad at night, most nights, just because I like feel achy and I have some tight muscles. So the heat really does help. And now I'm switching over to just using a red light therapy. It penetrates deeper into the skin. So that's really like, it's able to get into your skin and like down to the joints. And really, I find it is a difference, but it also does feel warm and soothing, like you would expect from a heating pad. This one in particular, it's pretty soft. It's big, so like big enough that you could put it where you need it, like whether it be on your back, your stomach, your legs. What I think is really cool about this one too is that it comes with 2 different straps. So you're able to, it's like super versatile. So if you're looking for like one pad that's going to do multiple places, you can wrap it and put it around, you know, your wrist. Like if you need some help and therapy around your wrist, your ankle, but then it also can be adjusted with the bigger pad to go like on your back, which is where I typically want the heat and the help. So it has an auto timer that goes for 20 minutes, which is nice, but you can use it longer or move it around. The button, there's 2 different modes. It either has like a solid mode or like a strobe light mode. So that depends on like how it's going to penetrate into the skin and get the therapy where it needs to target and go. Really happy with this. I'll show you the other side. It's not on because the red light's not good for your eyes. So you don't want to like stare at it or anything, but it's like a nice material. It does need to be plugged in. So that is something to consider. So, you know, like my heating pad needs to be plugged in. So I'm used to that. So it's not a big deal for me, but I do want to, you know, give that a heads up. So everything else, really happy with this product. And definitely I would go ahead and grab it if you're looking for like a red light therapy.